In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can collect together like terms in a contextualized problem. With the example on the left-hand side, I've been given an equilateral triangle, and I need to calculate the perimeter, the distance around the outside. I know that x is 4a plus 4. And with an equilateral triangle, all the sides are exactly the same length. So if the base is x, this means that this side and this side are all x as well. Knowing that x is 4a plus 4 means I've got 3 lots of 4a plus 4. Now whether you expand out the brackets or write 4a plus 4 plus 4a plus 4 plus 4a plus 4 3 times, you can see that I will have 4a plus 4a plus 4a, so 12a, and then 4 plus 4 plus 4, in other words 3 times 4, which would be 12. And this would be the simplified answer to my question, and it's the distance around the outside of the equilateral triangle. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Now with this example, I've got a rectangle. The key thing to know with a rectangle is that opposite sides are equal. So that I have 2 sides which are x and 2 sides which are y. Knowing that x is 4f plus 5 and y is 2f minus 3, this means that the distance around the outside of my rectangle can be written as 4f plus 5 plus 2f minus 3, and I could double this or write it in long form as being 4f plus 5 plus 2f minus 3. Now collecting together the like terms, we've got 4f plus 2f plus 4f plus 2f. This gives me a total of 12f. 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 would give me 4 altogether. This is a simplified answer for the perimeter of my rectangle.